Hey everyone, so in this video I'm going to show you how you can get best Bolt food discount promo codes in 2025. So first of all, you need to open a new web browser tab and search for Bolt free or a discount code and click on enter. As you can see, there are multiple web links here like voucher, joint secret, student pins. So you just have to simply open one or two of the links from here. As you can see, wait and save up to 50% of flexible rides, and you just have to simply click on any get discount option and then discount option. So you have to just click on get code from here, and you can then just copy the code and paste it to your cart where you are ordering food on Bolt. And you can also check for other websites like voucher discount and LHV. So if we go to the voucher discount, let me verify you are human. This may take a few moments. As you can see, you have to simply click on show code and it will directly redirect you to the Bolt food website, and then you can just purchase anything and the discount code will automatically be added to your account. So you can also check for other discount codes, and you have to know which discount code is working with you. So that's how you can get Bolt food discount using the discount promo code. That's it for this video. See you on the next one, guys.